Hello, everyone. I'm Tom Barron from Proximity Learning, and this is Canvas in a Minute. Today, we're learning how to add an automatic late work policy to your class. So you're in one of your course home pages. We're going to click on Grades to the left. Your grades populate and pop up here. You have your student names here. I have those blocked out to maintain their student privacy. You can click on this little gear icon to the top right. Click on that. And so now we have late policies, and you see I've already set one up, right? Automatically apply a grade for missing submission, which is a 0. Okay, so you don't have to put zeros in, that'll do that automatically. That'll be unchecked at the beginning, but you can check that. And then if you want, you can automatically apply a deduction to late submissions. So here, we're taking off 5% a day, and the lowest possible grade is 75%. But maybe, you want to take off 10% a day, and the lowest grade is a 60. Or maybe you take off 5% a day, and the lowest grade is an 80. You can do whatever you want there. Just make sure you have that checkbox. Now, these late work policies should be based on your school's standard. Okay, so check with your school, check with your TA to see what their late work policy is. If they have a standard one, put that in place. If they don't, talk with your TA and your students to establish a late work policy that all three parties can agree on. Do not go in here into grade posting policy. This is something administrators work with. So you are not going into that tab and changing anything there. And then when you're done, you can just hit update. Mine's the same, so I don't need to hit that. But when you're done, hit update. And then you don't need to take off points for late work. That'll be done automatically for you. Thank you for watching today. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.